Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Microsoft Outlook has a new look that is coming soon. I actually already have it turned on. It's up here in the top right. I've already enabled it for myself. Usually when you're on Outlook in the desktop, in the bottom left corner is Mail, Calendar, People, which is your contacts. Well, they have now been moved up here to the top left corner. If you look up here, I'm already on Mail right now. There's my calendar, there's people, there's my tasks, but look what's up here now. Microsoft To Do is here. If you click here, I love Microsoft To Do. If I want to go see my day, there it is. Also, they've put in here the Microsoft Organization Explorer. I've already done a full-blown video on this. So if I click on Christian, it shows me information about Christian, and Carol reports to Christian. But watch this feature. I'm going to go back to Mail just for a second. I'm always in Excel. I'm always in Microsoft Bookings. If I click here for more apps, folder, notes, shortcuts, but if I come down here, look what we have. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Yammer, and Bookings. I'm going to right click on Bookings and pin that one. And why don't I do Excel 2? And you can even come up here and move them up, and you could also unpin them. Great feature, because I'm always trying to get to Microsoft Excel, and I usually have to open it up from somewhere else. And I love that the organization chart is over there, and also I've got my to-do list. Let me know if you like this new look. You probably do not have it yet because I've turned it on in the top right, so you probably don't have it yet, but it is coming really soon. Feel free to subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.